Good morning, everyone. Today is 11th October. I'm Shuchi Rumta here presenting the morning market update. Nifty yesterday opened gap down as expected based on global cues and recovered throughout the day to close above the support at 17,241, losing only 73 points on close to close basis. The IT index was the top gainer as mentioned in our yesterday's update. Broadly speaking, India has continued its outperformance vis-a-vis global markets, but currently it oscillates between a broad range. No major change in the overall chart setup is seen. The FIIs were aggressive sellers again yesterday, selling over 2100 crores in cash and over 1300 crores in the futures market. On the option chain, we see significant open interest increase in the 17,000 and 17,100 put strike, and on the call side at 17,100 and 17,200 strikes. Yesterday, tech giant TCS announced its quarterly earnings. It has registered strong profitable growth across all its industry verticals, which helped them to observe an increase in revenue by 18% and net profit growth by 8.4% on a year on year basis. The net profit margins have also improved by 18.9%. Delta Corp is to announce their earnings today. US markets had a bearish day yet again yesterday with Nasdaq recording fresh lows. Dollar index continues to rise and trades at 113.3 currently. SGX Nifty is 50 points down, trading at 17,179. To conclude, markets are stuck in a broader range, and the best way to stay in the rally is to focus on stock and sector specific. Levels for the day: Nifty support will be seen at 17,150 and 17,060. Resistance 17,335 and 17,415. Bank Nifty support will be seen at 38,880 and 38,500. Resistance 39,300 and 39,560. Thank you.